Understanding the phrase, mission for peace. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very interesting and important phrase, mission for peace. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves learning English, this phrase is significant in many contexts. So, let's dive into understanding what mission for peace really means and how you can use it in your daily English. First, let's break down the phrase mission for peace into two parts, mission and peace. Mission refers to an important assignment, task, or duty, typically involving a journey or a goal. It's often used in a context where there's a specific purpose or objective. On the other hand, peace is a state of tranquility, harmony, or the absence of war and conflict. When we talk about peace, it usually involves situations free from disturbance and aggression. Now, when we combine these two words into the phrase, mission for peace, it refers to a specific endeavor or task that aims to establish or promote peace. This could be in the context of international relations, community conflicts, or even personal disputes. The phrase implies a proactive effort to create a peaceful environment, often in a situation where there's currently discord or tension. Mission for peace can be used in various contexts. 1. International diplomacy. When countries or international organizations undertake efforts to resolve conflicts and promote harmony between nations. 2. Community initiatives. In local or community settings, where groups work towards resolving disputes and fostering a peaceful environment. 3. Personal endeavors. On a personal level, it could refer to an individual's effort to reconcile with others or to create peace in their surroundings. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in sentences. The United Nations mission for peace in the war-torn region has brought hope to many. Our school's mission for peace involves teaching students about conflict resolution and empathy. She dedicated her life to a mission for peace, working tirelessly to bridge divides in her community. Understanding and using the phrase, mission for peace, can enrich your English vocabulary and help you comprehend and discuss important topics related to conflict resolution and harmony. We hope this video has been enlightening and useful in your journey of learning English. Keep practicing, and remember, every word and phrase you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. See you in our next video.